Today we're going to be making a cute simple frog, and I have my new camera and a new setup, so hopefully my voice is better and you can hear me clearly. This should be easier than all the or sculpt animals that I've been doing because it's just like round and cute. So we're gonna start out with a default sphere, and this should be the body. I think we can play around with it, do the side. I'm just gonna make it slightly bloated. And let's add the ice. Mirror. And then we bring this forward. We can add the face first, or eyelids, I guess. And then once that's done, we can add, actually, we can clone this and then make this, pull this forward. This will be the eyes. Let's make this a little smaller. Make it little separate. Then let's add the hands. Let's use the cylinder, mirror this, and let's use the gizmo tool. And pull this forward, slightly smaller, slightly outwards. And I think we can validate this. So let's do voxel and make the resolution small, so it's easier to smooth out. Then voxel and smooth. Just keep on doing voxel and smooth. Once it gets rounder, it'll be easier to work with. Let's connect the top part towards the body. Just play around with it. Now it looks more like hands. You can make this slightly bigger or far apart. Just pull this outwards, and then we can smooth the body. We can voxel it. Make sure you're picking the body and voxel it to like 40. So when you smooth it out, it's easier to manipulate. See how you just press it a little bit and it smooths out. And do inflate. Oh, it's very strong. Just a few taps would work. Like this. And we can add the back legs. Actually, we can just clone this one. So clone, pull back, and then we can shape the back legs. Cloning just makes it easier to, I thought I was using the drag tool, but cloning just makes it easier to Sorry, I pressed on something. I think I'm a little lost, but I think it was some tool here. But let's use the drag tool. Pull this forward. Pull it forward more. And then inflate. This, the back legs are bigger. And it should be longer. Now we can smooth this out. Like that. So we have the shape of the back legs. Like, it looks like legs. And we can make this slightly bigger. Just do small adjustments. Maybe make the strength to be lower. And just like that. So we can add the tiny toes in. Let's do quad sphere. Pull this here. And then let's do, should go here. And then let's mirror that. Should be good. And we can make instance. Instance just means it would be the same object as what the instance was. Clone, you can, it is the same, but once you change it, it won't change for the rest of it. Instance, if you change one, it'll change for everything. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's pull this more to the back. Make it bigger so it's easier to pull back like that. And just easier to play around with. We can inflate the front paws. Now we can add the back leg. Just want it to be more even, but let's do, this should be good. I'm going to join it and then clone. So this should be back paws like this. Rotate it here. So it'll look like that. And maybe we can drag the knees forward like this, dragging the knees. Drag it more. Maybe do some inflate. Use inflate tool. Yeah, should work. Starting to look nice, like a frog. We can make the head slightly thicker. Just use the inflate tool and make just slight adjustments. And then we can use the drag tool to drag like so its cheeks like that. Maybe smooth some more. And it should be good. Let's combine. I forgot to rename them, but it should be fine. Let me validate all of this. Actually, except for the eyes, which is this one. Let's validate. Yes. And I do want to combine all of these. Let's add a mirror for this because I don't want to include the eyes for the combination. So this should be the eyes. And let's validate this one and join. And we can voxel the whole body, every body part, like that. Now we can use the smooth tool. And smooth it all out. Use the smooth tool. Then we can color this green. You want our frog to be green. Be pale green, paint all. Yeah, and the eyes, let's do black. Let's do like a, maybe like a more to the green side. Let's see. And I want my background to appear more so we can clearly see the frog. And we can make slight adjustments. And let's add the mouth. For the mouth, let's do like, we can do like a sphere. And pull this forward, make it smaller, like this, and shape it like this. Let's validate so we can shape the mouth. Use the drag tool here. And we want our frog to be smiling. So it's a cutie. Cutie frog. And I think that looks good. Let's do slightly upper, maybe slightly smaller, like that. Let's make the eyes slightly smaller, maybe. Yeah. And now we want to subtract this object to the body. So what we want to do is make this invisible and click the body. So you want to click on Boolean and then Boolean. That should remove it. But you can see that it's white, but you can just paint it again by pressing paint all. Or we could color the lips black. Paint. Like that. Oh, I guess actually, I think the sphere might be too big, actually. Let me do an x-ray. Yeah, it is very big. So what we want to do is pull this. Let's see, x-ray. And so we want the mouth to be not as big, like this. And maybe we can color it back because I think whatever color this is, this might be the same color as what it's reduced to. like this. And then let's drag this a little more here, like that. So it's a tiny smile. And let's do that again. So invisible or on the cross eye and boolean. And you can boolean it out. Oh, boolean it out like this. And we can see our frog smiling. And we have our frog. Yeah. Wasn't that very easy? Possibly the easiest, like sculpt. And if you want to do slight adjustments, you can. But I think that was pretty fast. And then this frog is pretty cute, I think. I think I would like maybe a white belly. So let's do a white belly. Oh. Like that. Yeah. I don't like how when the paint's close to like here, it paints it too. But I think that looks like a frog. Let's just, oh, I wanted to paint over the lips, but now it's okay. So we can use the smooth tool to blend this out. I think it's pretty cute. Hopefully you think it's cute too. You can paint it more here. And then we can smooth it up. And actually the back side needs more smoothing. So this works out. And see some paint got into his hands, which is fine. Hopefully if you find this helpful, also cute. Can't wait to print this. Color, everything. It's cute. Look at that smile.